I got something exciting. Hello and welcome to today's video. Let me scoot over a little bit. It's a beautiful Sunday here in Texas, and I am going to be showing you guys a quick little unboxing. Actually, I'm going to have to grab my mirror too because I'm going to put the things on, but I got a package from Glossier and I ordered some stuff. I have never tried any products from Glossier, and so I really wanted to go ahead and try some products. I mean, if you know anything about me, I'm a huge beauty lover, and so I had to, of course, try something from Glossier, and I'm so excited. So this package came yesterday, and it was not supposed to be here until tomorrow. So it came early, which is even better. And I actually ended up going out. That bird is like literally like going for it. I don't know what's happening. But anyway, I had to go out to the mailbox at 12:30 a.m. to get this package because it was in the mailbox and I wasn't gonna leave this in the mailbox all night. So anyway, let's jump right in to what I got, and I also got a good deal on it. So I'll tell you about that because you know I'm all about the deals. So let's see. I don't even want to rip the tape that they have because it's so cute, but cats are out here like fighting, running at me, like I don't know what's happening, but now the dog is angry, I guess. So look at my little buddies I've got here just sitting at the table with me unboxing this. So Glossier, their packaging is just like everything. If you've ever looked at any Glossier products, it is just like, oh my gosh. So this is the little cute packaging. I think it is adorable. I just love the way they send their stuff. And then, what is this? Ooh, it's a little Glossier sticker. That's cute. I love things like that. And so they have cute little box. I mean, just, I'm all about the packaging. And their actual packaging looks so like luxurious and nice. So it's this little, I don't know what makes this so cute, but this looks really cute. So I got, actually, what is this called? Let me check my email because this is called something, and they probably still have it on their website. Okay, this is just the makeup set by Glossier, and they have this on sale for $40, and it would originally be $50. But then my amazing husband, who is the deal king, he got a deal, and trying to see how much I actually paid for it because I want to give actual proper information. Okay, so I paid in total $38.25 for this whole thing. So for 3 Glossier products, $38.25, right? Yes. And it would have been $50. So I thought that was great. So I'm gonna grab my mirror too so I can put the things on before we actually go through it. Okay, got my mirror, and so I'm gonna go through what I got. So I got 3 products. I got the Lash Slick mascara. Packaging's just sleek, you know. You may or may not know, I guess, what Glossier packaging looks like, but look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is like just so sleek and nice. So I got the mascara. I'm gonna put it on here in just a second. I only have like a bare minimum makeup on. Don't have anything on my brows, just foundation, and that's basically it. Mixed a little bronzer in it. Next, I got the Boy Brow, which is like one of their most popular, raved about products. It's a brow gel. It's called Boy Brow, and it is in the shade brown. It's got the shade brown. Again, like these products look so good, just like out on a vanity or something. Like how clean and sleek does it look? I'm so excited. And then I got the Cloud Paint in the shade Beam. So I got the Cloud Paint in the shade Beam. I definitely want to try other shades. They have so many pretty shades. It was hard to choose because you did with this set, you got to choose your shades and everything. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. So I'm gonna start, I think, with the mascara. Just gonna kind of try it out and let you guys know my first impressions kind of Glossier. So I do have my lashes curled, but nothing's on them right now, so. So the Glossier look, their like signature look is kind of, this is so good. Like, I love this. But their like signature look is kind of natural, glowy, fluffy brow, you know, think that like runway brow. Just very natural, like they're just very, they just have a very, very cool vibe to them. And I love that. So, it's really good mascara. It's doing what I like mascaras to do. It's the consistency I like in mascara, in the sense that it isn't too dry, not too wet. It's like the perfect consistency. Kind of what we're working with here. I'm loving this mascara. It's really, really good. And I can tell that it's a really buildable mascara. When you first put it on, like, you can just keep it really natural and you can actually build it up a lot. I love the formula already. That's the mascara. Really pretty. And the packaging, like, just to lay out on your vanity would be so nice. So I am gonna put it back in the box just because I like to keep things in the box as much as possible. Protect the pretty packaging. Okay. Boy brow. So with boy brow, I am gonna do what kind of their signature thing is with the brushing up. I know this is like everybody's like go-to brow gel. You can see it is filling them, making them fluffy, and I love that. I've been loving that look. Like, it's definitely giving like a fuller look to the brow. So if you can see, I just love that, like just the natural brow. I think it really filled them out a lot more. Just really, really nice. And lastly, we're gonna try out, put that back in its little box, Beam, the cloud paint. So I know that people put this on their lips too, so I might try that. I only have chapstick on my lips, but I'm really interested to see the formula of this and like what it is like. I know people say you do not need much, so I'm going in with like that much right now, because I know a little bit goes a long way. I am just gonna blend this in with my finger. That's what it kind of looks like, just straight on. Wow. Oh my gosh, I see the hype in this. If you guys could feel this formula, it's so different. It actually is very different from like any cream blushes, and I love this shade. This just kind of like wakes your face up again. Like, if you're doing, I mean, you could totally use these products not just with a natural look, and I'm sure I will. You could use them really anytime, of course, it's makeup. But if you're doing like a natural look, like look literally how natural this looks on my skin. Like, it lays beautifully on the skin. And then if you wanted to put a little bit on the lip, that was the perfect amount for my face, and I even put some on my nose. So I'm only bringing a little bit more out for this. And like the packaging, you guys, it just looks so good. Let me kind of show you. Like, I'm excited to get this like on my bathroom, like the bathroom sink. I want to make a little place for it. So yeah, just like super natural, like just wash of color. I'm really, really impressed with the products. I think they're really good, and these products are gonna go a long way. Like, this looks small, but you saw I didn't even use like a drop for my cheeks, and it's like really, really pigmented and really pretty. I'm sure you could use this like on your eyes or whatever. You could blend it with a brush. I just used my finger because I have them on me, so I just used that. But I love to use like sponges or brushes. I'm sure that would work really well. But it's just a really natural look. If you can see there, it's just really, really pretty. So I definitely want to try other things from Glossier. I want to try the cloud paint in some other shades. I think that would be really, really good. There was one specific other shade I wanted to try. So this has been really, really fun. Yeah, thank you for hanging out. Let me know if you've tried Glossier and if you enjoy the products. I'm really impressed with this mascara. I don't have great eyelashes by any means. And I feel like it's doing exactly what I want a mascara to do. Like, in the brows too. I don't know. I just feel like it's really, really nice, and they're really great products. So I'm super excited about it. Definitely want to try more things. Let me know if you've tried anything. I'm gonna go and enjoy this beautiful Sunday. I haven't eaten. I need to go eat something, but I hope you guys are just having fun with your makeup and yeah, enjoying. Just makeup is so fun and so fun to be creative. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for stopping by. You're incredible. Jesus loves you. Don't forget that. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Ginger. Say bye. Say bye. Hey, say bye. Say I love Glossier. Green, are you coming to say bye too? You're very interested.